welcome to the first edition of HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. My name is Renee. I'm one of the owners at LCS.
My name is Tyler. I am a maintenance technician with LCS.
And our question of the week is, let's be real, no one likes to spend money on a furnace or air conditioner. So, Tyler, what are the best times of year to get the best deals in replacing your furnace or air conditioner?
Spring and fall are your two best times of year to get your best promotions from in-house offers from us. Also look at utility rebates and manufacturer promotions as well.
And anytime you can get all of those savings into one, that is a good deal. Now, as far as scheduling goes, would you agree that the off-season is the best time to schedule as well?
It's a lot easier to schedule in the summer and winter when we're super busy. So spring and fall, like I said, two best times. Definitely.
Awesome. Excellent. And of course, the best time is also always when you can plan for your investment. It's a big investment. You're putting a lot into it. Don't wait until you have no AC or no heat. Get it done, get it planned for, and take advantage of those great savings in the spring or fall.
Definitely want to plan ahead, but if you can't, we're here spring and fall to help you get your HVAC needs.
Awesome. Okay, thank you so much for listening, and we will see you next week in HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real.